Today in Missoula, a federal court hearing over a nonprofit that provides services for asbestos-related disease in Libby and what the future holds for the center. NBC Montana investigative reporter Bowen West breaks down the proceedings.
In May, the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office closed doors on the Center for Asbestos-Related Disease, or CARD, due to an asset seizure in a $3.1 million lawsuit owed to the BNSF Railway. In a series of litigation before this, BNSF was found partially responsible for the spread of asbestos in Libby. But more than 300 diagnoses made at the clinic were determined to be fraudulent. The railroad brought that case on behalf of the federal government and was awarded a portion of the $6 million settlement. CARD filed for bankruptcy, but was allowed to continue operating. In fact, they received a $3 million federal grant last fall. That's until the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office shut down the center in May. The organization's attorney argued the railway seizing the assets as they did was a violation of the bankruptcy settlement. Their attorney wanted to place a temporary restraining order on the seizure. Lawyers representing the railway said BNSF received no payments before May and had no choice but to enforce what was owed, going on to say they want accountability for CARD. Current and former staff of CARD had their own attorney who said they were simply doing their job. A controversial addition to the hearing: the United States government wanted to be involved on the side of CARD, saying many of the assets seized are property of the government because of grant money. The judge was confused why the government, which was defrauded by CARD, wouldn't want to see judgment. Judge Dana Christensen ended the hearing by saying his ruling will make some attendees happy and some very unhappy. He stressed that he would not stand in the way of his previous judgment on the case. His decision will be released at a later date. Make sure to visit NBCMontana.com for my complete coverage of this case. Reporting in Missoula, Bowen West, NBC Montana.